Hi, my name is Edwin, and today I want to show you how to create pipe markers using the Brady BBP85 sign and label printer. The BBP85 is a fast and versatile industrial label maker that creates a variety of different pipe markers for your facility at the point of need. Now let's get started. First, select the pipe marker icon from the home page. Next, choose from a standard, roll form, or symbol and arrow format. For this example, we'll choose standard. Then, pick a tape width and press next. The printer will now ask you to identify the material that will flow through the pipe. In this case, a low hazard liquid. It will identify the appropriate label color and ribbon color based on the category selected. We have 6-inch wide, green vinyl, and a white print ribbon loaded, so we're good to go. In this case, we'll say cold water. You can also add up to 4 graphics per label, but we won't be using graphics for this pipe marker. Finally, you can add arrows before or after your text. The arrows can point to the left, right, or in both directions. Select Finish to see a preview of your label. When you're ready, just hit print. To learn more or to watch other demo videos, please visit